Welcome back to Car OG 765, your destination for classic cars, rare motorhomes, and unforgettable automotive history. If you love unique American vehicles, you're in the right place. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. Today we're looking at one of the rarest and most futuristic motorhomes ever built, the 1986 EMC Starfire 310 motorhome. At first glance, you might think you're looking at a luxury concept vehicle from the future, but this incredible RV was actually built in the mid-1980s. Even today, its bold styling turns heads wherever it goes. The EMC Starfire 310 was designed to stand out from every other motorhome on the road. Instead of a simple box-shaped body, it featured sleek aerodynamic lines, a stylish front end inspired by luxury American cars, and a smooth fiberglass exterior. It looked more like a high-end limousine than a traditional RV, making it one of the most unique motorhomes ever produced. Inside, the Starfire 310 offered an impressive level of comfort and luxury. The spacious cabin included comfortable seating, elegant wood trim, quality upholstery, a fully equipped kitchen, a dining area, and a private sleeping space. Everything was carefully designed to provide a first-class travel experience for families and long-distance adventurers. Powering this motorhome was a dependable Chevrolet-based V8 engine that delivered enough strength for highway cruising and long road trips. While it wasn't built for speed, it was designed for comfortable touring across America's highways. Drivers appreciated its smooth ride and reliable performance during extended vacations. One of the biggest reasons the Starfire 310 remains famous today is its rarity. Only a limited number were produced, making surviving examples extremely valuable among collectors. Finding one in excellent condition has become increasingly difficult, and restored models often attract significant attention at RV shows and classic vehicle events. The exterior design continues to impress enthusiasts even decades later. Large panoramic windows, integrated lighting, stylish body lines, and premium finishes gave the Starfire a futuristic appearance that was years ahead of its time. Many people still believe it looks more modern than some motorhomes built much later. Living inside the Starfire 310 was surprisingly comfortable. Owners enjoyed features such as air conditioning, entertainment systems, generous storage compartments, comfortable beds, and all the essential amenities needed for extended travel. It truly combined luxury with practicality. Today, the 1986 EMC Starfire 310 is remembered as a bold experiment in American RV design. Although it wasn't produced in large numbers, it proved that motorhomes could be stylish, luxurious, and innovative at the same time. Its unique appearance has helped it earn a loyal following among collectors and RV enthusiasts across the United States. If you ever have the opportunity to see one in person, you'll immediately understand why it continues to attract attention after nearly 4 decades. It's not just a motorhome, it's a rare piece of American automotive history that represents creativity, luxury, and timeless design. Thank you for watching this video on Car OG 765. If you enjoyed learning about the rare 1986 EMC Starfire 310 motorhome, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with fellow RV enthusiasts, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing classic cars, vintage trucks, and legendary motorhomes. We'll see you in the next video.